part of the game. Let me play y'all something. Let me make sure the sound is right on. I want to play y'all something. I want y'all to hear this. And tell me what I'm missing.
Right. In the second half, they shook loose a little bit in transition. And on the offensive glass, they had a couple of big offensive rebounds that helped keep the lead or help them, stay right where they need to stay to pull a tight game out. So we have to do a better job in those two areas for 48 minutes.
Oh, you gotta do better at defense and rebounding for 48 minutes. But yet you only play Mitchell Robinson 11 minutes. Bro, defense and rebounding. I mean, I don't know.